Stepping into a managerial role can be both really exciting and really daunting. As a manager, you may find yourself crippled by the fears of making mistakes that could have far-reaching consequences for your team's performance and for your own credibility. The pressure to lead effectively, maintain team harmony, and deliver exceptional results is real and can definitely feel overwhelming, leading to sleepless nights and constant second-guessing yourself. But of course, we've got good news because you don't have to navigate this minefield by yourself. I got your back. You may already know this about me, but I am all about the fundamentals. I'm all about what some will call basic. And here's why. The more fancy that we try to get, the more we can screw things up. Winning teams, winning people, all use the fundamentals. They all use the basics. And in my experience, those that think that they're too good for the basics and feel as though the basics are for the other peasants, those are the ones who are trying to overcompensate for something. Those are the ones who will get screwed as leaders. So, the first mistake is a lack of effective communication. As a manager, it's important to talk clearly and effectively. This can help you avoid misunderstandings, which could absolutely cause some problems for you. Think about ways that you can communicate better with your team. Pay attention to each person so that they know their thoughts are important. Their feedback is important. This will make people trust you and like you more, leading to success in the future. The next mistake is micromanagement tendencies, we'll call them. Micromanaging can hurt the team morale and make it hard to get things done. It's important to understand the bad side effects it can have so that you can do better. Here's some tips when it comes to not micromanaging. Give team members recognition and feedback. Let them take control of their roles instead of managing everything for them. A light touch, a light little bit of guidance works so much better than taking over completely. And most importantly, help everyone on the team feel responsible instead of worried or scared. This way, they don't need someone fixing things all the time, and everyone can work together more smoothly to get stuff done. The next mistake is a failure to delegate, because delegation is important for your team to grow. Think about why you don't delegate and try to change that. Know that each person on your team, they can do their job well, and they can do what they need to help the team. Tell the team members exactly what you want them to do and give them the resources that they need. Offer to help, offer to answer questions or be there for challenges, and give them tasks that will teach them something new. You'll want to, when delegating, you'll want to check in to make sure that the task is going well and tell them if there's anything that they need or anything's going wrong to let you know. Try new ways of delegating if it doesn't work out right away for you, and review afterwards how your delegation went. The next mistake is inadequate performance management. To fix this, tell people what to do and how well they should do it. Give helpful advice often. Ask people to think about their work and how they can make it better. Talk with someone if they aren't doing their job well and help them figure out how they can do it differently. Give them help if they need it, like extra training or advice from another person who is good at the job. Say thank you when someone does a good job or they learn something new so that others will be encouraged to do this as well. Keep track of how everyone is doing and change things if you need better results in the future. It really is that easy. Now, if you're enjoying this content so far, you are going to love being part of my 30-day leadership bootcamp. It's going to be a life-changing leadership experience that will give you the tools and knowledge to become the leader you were born to be. So do not miss out. Check the first link in the description. The next mistake is a lack of accountability. To help your team take responsibility, do these 3 things. Tell people what you expect of them. Give them goals and deadlines for tasks and projects. Make sure everyone knows what they have to do. Next, show people that you take responsibility too. Finish your work on time, keep your promises, and show everyone else how it's done. And 3, give feedback. Tell people if they need to do better or if they've done a great job. This will help create a culture where everyone takes responsibility for their own actions. The next mistake is a lack of empathy and emotional intelligence. You're going to fix this with 3 things. You're going to listen carefully to your team members and pay attention to what they say and how they say it. Next, you're going to try to understand how others feel and let them know it's okay to talk about their emotions. And third, get to know each team member by finding out their strengths and weaknesses and their struggles. This is going to help build trust between the team members and management. And the next mistake that managers or new leaders make is that they fail to lead by example. Fixing this is easy and it's absolutely in your control. Do what you say you're going to do. Talk to your team. Show them how to do things. Make sure they do good work by you doing good work. Help them work together as a team. Thank them for when they do stuff right or when they go above and beyond. Do these things and you start setting the tone of how you expect things done. This is how we lead by example. Now, of course, this video hasn't touched on every mistake you can make, so check out this video to learn more. And if you want to fast track your leadership skills, check out the Leadership Bootcamp in the description below. Get your coffee, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao.